Hello, today I'm going to be explaining how to import a sprite sheet into GameMaker. The first thing you want to do is create a sprite, because that is where your sprite sheet will be going. And you want to connect it to the object that you want it to be connected to. Then you want to edit your image. Then you want to click on image all the way to the top. Then you want to press import sprite image. Now it's going to be asking for where your file location is for your sprite images are. So you just want to have that in your computer downloaded. For this one, I'm going to have a run animation, which I already have right here. After you import it, it's going to be asking you to how you want to format all of your images. Of course, these are 5 images. These are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 8 images. Right now it's cutting them up, so like this guy is cut in half. This is one sprite and this would be another, which is very badly. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to put down our amount of images in these 2 boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so we're going to put 8 in both. And then using frame width and frame height, we're going to go to this very first one. We're going to create the perfect box around it. So that should be alright. Now we want to check the other one, see if it's good. As you can see, this one's all the way towards the left wall, while this earlier one is right in the middle, which is quite a big problem. To fix that, what we might want to do is actually put the width down and the height down. We want to be a square after all. And then what we want to do is put it right in the middle using these 2, which you can move the boxes right, left, up, down. So like that. And then we can use our horizontal separation, horizontal and vertical separation to separate the boxes. And you can use all of these features right here to make it so that they're perfectly aligned right in the middle. As you can see, they're all like that right now. And after we've done that, we want to press convert. And now we have imported the sprite sheet, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different sprites. So you can see you can have a very fast run. If you want to slow that down, you can actually go like that. And that looks a little better.